Today's Charger is really the sleeper in the segment. It's the car that's redefining what a muscle car is. It's redefining what a full-size sedan can be. Is it a muscle car? Is it a full-size sedan? Is it a family car? Is it a hardcore track car? It can be all of those depending on how you equip your Charger. If you look at the Challenger, we were very careful to make an evolutionary change on the exterior design. Well, we flipped that script on the Charger, and we actually went very aggressive with the exterior design and changed almost every panel.
My goal, and I think our designers' goals, were to make the car more sculptural, and I like to say the word sinuous, which is basically put more curves in it. Today's car is very curvy. We were able to exaggerate some of the curves on the Coke bottle styling, if you will, from a side view of the car. And then on the hood especially, we went away from the predominantly high central mounted grille shape, and we basically put more of an even brow on it. So